just like, holy shit, that was awesome. So, and being able to follow up on that type of stuff too, of like,
right,
hey, you might be a cool guy via email and phone calls, but can you provide once the date comes to get here and do the repair? So it's cool being able to back it up as well.
dude. I love that. This is the thing that I like about you, brother, is that you're still willing to like knock on doors, still willing to cold call, right? I think that like
100%.
me included, right? Like you get to a place and you're just like, you kind of forget the things that you did to make you successful. And then you're wondering like, why is my business not going the way that I wanted to? And then you're like, well, it's probably because I forgot to do all the things that got me here. And in addition to that, like moving to the next level. So talking about that, brother, what's the next best or biggest step for you guys that you see in 2024?
In 2024 for us, I think the next biggest best step would be 1 or 2 more service trucks, and then maybe a commercial supervisor project manager